Today we are looking at a Forex day trading strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of indicators and strategies over on my other YouTube channel, and I am constantly testing more. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with custom indicators. We have an amazing community on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader, and you will get access to our custom indicators as well as the spreadsheets of hundreds of tested indicators and strategies when you become a Patreon member. So even if this strategy isn't great, we have you covered. Links below in the description. Alright, as I said, today we are looking at a Forex day trading strategy. So this strategy here consists of three different indicators. I guess one indicator, but three of them on screen. So it's the Supertrend indicator, and there are three of them to give this stepped down effect right here. Very similar to like the alligator indicator and a few other indicators, ribbon indicators that have the same kind of effect here. And so the setup on this was pretty easy. You're basically looking for instances where all the Supertrend indicators line up at once. Before we go over the numbers on this particular strategy, if you would go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Please don't give it a thumbs down, even if it's not a profitable strategy. Giving the video a thumbs up helps YouTube's algorithm know that this video is helpful and that you learned something from it. And again, even if it's not a winning strategy, then you're still learning how to use indicators, what does work and what doesn't work, which is just as important as what actually works. And so let's go ahead and go over the numbers here real quick before we take a look at the strategy to see if it's even worth looking at the strategy. So we did a 50 trade test like normal. Out of those 50 trades, we got 22 winning trades. We got 28 losing trades, which puts us right at a 44% win rate. Now, the take profit and stop on this was a little interesting. It wasn't a set take profit and stop like sometimes we have a 1 to 1.5 or something like that. It was more of a dynamic take profit and stop according to what the Supertrend indicators were doing. So it's definitely not a horrible strategy. I just don't think it's going to be highly profitable. I think if anything, by the time you consider the spreads and stuff like that, or any commissions you're going to be paying, then you're going to be about break even on this particular one, maybe a little bit of gains off of it. And so I don't think it's really worth diving into the strategy in full detail, but it is an interesting aspect. Definitely not something that's completely useless. And so playing around with the Supertrend indicators, kind of stair-stepping them like this, could be something beneficial in some aspects. But if you're looking for a profitable trading strategy, then I highly recommend that you check out the strategy that we developed over on my other channel after testing hundreds of indicators and strategies. And I'll put a thumbnail of it up on the screen right now. Also link to a video at the end of this video that we did on this channel on that strategy. And so it's a profitable trading strategy, proven to be profitable. We've been testing it over a long period of time and forward testing it in live markets. We have optimized it. We're constantly testing it. And we're actually working on automating that strategy as well. And so that's something that will be coming in the future. Once we get automated, any of the patrons that are current patrons of our channel will get a discount on that automation setup. And so it's definitely something very beneficial to look forward to. And so, all right, that's it for this strategy here. We're going to go ahead and cut the video here. That way things don't get too long, and we'll move on to the next video from here.